Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video of the Techie Swifty, I will show you that how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A12 or how you can open the recovery mode of the Galaxy A12. So for that, let's dive into the video. For this method, first of all, you need to plug in your Type-C port with your phone and USB to your laptop or desktop, which should be power on. Now here you can see, suppose that if you forgot your password or PIN, then you cannot enter into your phone. Even if you added the fingerprint lock, but when you will restart your phone, it will ask for the PIN or the password for the first time after restart instead of the fingerprint. So in this method, we will use power key and the volume keys. When you see the phone asking for the password, just press the power key and the volume down key and keep holding them until you get the power menu. Now here select the power off, but phone will again ask for the PIN. Here you again need to press the power key and the volume down key and keep holding them. Your phone will restart and you will see these logos. But when you see the black screen, just change your finger from the volume down key to the volume up key and keep holding the power key. Keep holding the power key and the volume up key until you enter into the recovery mode. And finally, we are in the recovery mode. You can only navigate here with the volume keys. Just press the volume down key to go down. And here you will see the option of wipe data / factory reset. You will need to press the power key to open it. And here you have the options of cancel and the factory data reset. Go down. And now you will need to press the power key to start the process. This process will delete your entire data on this phone like photos, videos, messages, and clear your security settings like password, PIN and fingerprint. Actually, this option will reset your phone totally. So that's how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A12. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.